na, finals ng senior.
Official score 4-0
Versus Fructos. Game 1. 4-0 na, 4-0. Nakashoot si Mau, saka si Alvarado sa tres.
Rebound number 2 Pakate.
Napakausok pa, napakausok.
Pass to number 7 Herrera. Pass to number 67. Number 67. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22. Base to pass. Base puts it up. Short. Number 19. Pass to number 8 Lago. Lago. Pass to number 14. Third of ball. Pass to number 7 Herrera. Herrera setting a play. Pass to out of bounds. Green ball. Number 8. Number 8 pass to number 14. Bars at the red. No. Rebound number 22. Number 22 pass to number 7. Herrera. Herrera setting a play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Herrera pass to number 67. Number 67 bombs. No. Number 19. Number 19 pass to number 14. Nice to number 22. Number 19 pass to number 57. Bates puts it up. The basket is good for number 57. Pedros. Number 8 Lago. Pass to number 14. Pangilinan. Behind the back pass. Number 19. Pass to number 8. Number 8 Bates. Back to number 19. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8 bombs. And there's a foul. Number 19. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 14, 5 seconds to shoot. Pass number 12, and then again number 14. Number 8.
Shot lang, violation.
The score is 6-0 in favor of Progress. Number 7 has the ball. Setting a play. Number 7. Stealing number 14. Number 14 pass to number 8. Double layup. Basket is good for number 8. Lago. Number 7 Herrera has the ball. Looking for his teammates. Pass to number 22 to number 2. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22. Pass to number 7 Herrera. Herrera. Stealing number 8. Number 8 again. Basket is good. Back-to-back points for number 8. Lago. Number 7, Herrera has the ball. Looking for his teammates. Pass number 22. Bars at the rim. 3 points. Taking number 8. Bars at the rim. No. Rebound in number 22. Outlet pass to number 7. That is stealing number 8. Number 8, Lago. Pass number 19, Asas. Pass to number 14. Bars at the rim. No. Rebound in number 22. Outlet pass to number 7. Number 7 drives. Looking for his teammates. Pass number 57. Number 57. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2 using the screen. Pull up jumper. Basket is good for number 2 Pakate. Number 19 has the ball in 5 minutes and 10 seconds in the first quarter. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14, 10 seconds to shoot. Steal in number 67. Out of bounds. Nakalat t-shirt daw po sa mga scoreboard. Isagol po tayo ng konti. Salamat po. Basket is good for number 8. Official score 11-6 in favor of Progress. Number 2, pass to number 22. Pass to number 7. Steal in number 12. Pass to number 14, Villa. Villa has the ball. Pass to number 8. Break in number 19. What a play. Basket is good for number 19, Asas. Number 2 has the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 7, bars at the rim. No. Rebound in number 19. Pass number 8, Lago. Lago attacks bombs. Save ball. Barca 3, no. Rebound number 57. Pass number 2, Pacate. Pacate is setting up play. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22. Attacks. Pass number 57. No. Number 14. Got the rebound. There's a foul. Tiago has the ball. Pass number 14. Pangilinan. Number 12, pass to number 19, stealing number 22, pass to number 9, Herrera. Herrera attacks, lays it up, wala. Rebound number 14, pass number 8, binigay number 14, Pangilinan, binigay number 8, puts it up, basket is good for number 8, Lago.
Isa na lang ang mga
Official score 11-10 in favor of Progress. Number 22, Parson Ray, no. Number 57, Latipo. Number 7 again, wala. Number 14, has the ball. Number 14, guard number 9, Herrera. Looking for his teammates, pass number 12. Number 8, pass number 14. Who's got the ball? Out of bounds. 3 seconds to shoot. Parson Ray, no. Number 40 with offensive rebound. Tries again, wala. Rebound number 27. Pass number 9, Herrera. Number 9, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 15, Penance. Parson Ray, no. Rebound number 12. Pass number 8, Lago. Lago guard with number 9, Herrera. Penalty number 12. Attacks. Denied. Now ball number 15, pass number 27, binigay number 9, number 9 Pace, binigay number 22 attacks, then break, number 14, pinag-directo, pinasa number 19, wala, rebound number 67, pass number 15 Pace, to number 22, number 20, Pace, bombs, wala, number 22 again, who's got the ball, number 14, Number 14, the red goes to number 14. Number 14, crossover, pass number 12. Binigay number 14. Binigay number 8, number 8, picks. Number 14, 10 seconds to shoot. Steal number 9, Herrera. Herrera, steal number 19. Number 19, pass number 14. Pass. Go. Rebound number 22. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 22. Number 22. Wala. Number 19. Number 19. Tinetagad si number 19. Pass number 12. Pulls it off. Wala. Who's got the ball? Offensive rebound number 19. Asas. Number 8. Pass. Boys.
Tamang na, Andos.
13-11 in favor of Productors. Number 9, Herrera, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Parson Ray, no. Offensive rebound number 22, Space puts it up. Number 27, basket is good for number 27. 15 seconds remaining time. 10. Number 14. 5. Number 9. Number 9. Let's go. And the first quarter.
Second quarter.
Number 19, pass to number 8. To number 18, number 19, pass to number 14. That one, number 11, Pace, puts it up, denied. Number 8. Number 8, bars and Dwayne. No, rebound number 9, Herrera. Herrera, pass number 27. Number 27, got the ball. Pass number 15. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Basket is good for number 27. Official score 15-13 in favor of Progress. Number 18, looking for his teammates. Pass number 11 in the middle. Binigay number 14. Wala. Who's got the ball? Nalibot number 22. Number 22. Number 22 taking his time. Pass to number 67. Pass to number 9, Herrera. Foul. First throw. No good. Second throw. Passing is good for number 9, Herrera. Number 88 has the ball. Number 88 setting up play. Pass to number 14. Pinalagay number 88. Penal. Same ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Still good number 9, Herrera. Herrera blind. Pass is good. Number 88, Pangilinan, has the ball. Pass number 11, Asas. Asas, pull up jumper. Wala. Who's got the ball? Rebound, number 18. Pass number 14. What a play. Basket is good for number 14, Pangilinan. Number 15 has the ball. Cars up red. Oh, who's got the ball? Number 27, number 27, pass to number 67. Wala. Rebound number 11, pass to number 88. Number 88, same ball. Number 88 has the ball. Number 88 drives, pass to number 8. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 19, bars up red. Oh, rebound number 22. Pass number 9, Herrera. Herrera sidestep goes. Basket is good. Number 9, Herrera. Number 14, bars up red. Oh, rebound number 22, Alvarado. Number 9, Herrera has the ball. Official score 20-15 in favor of Progress. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 27, Biggs, denied. Number 14, Fields. Number 14, direct si number 14. Number 14, pass. Number 19, pinalagay number 14. Basket is good. Official score 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 2017 in favor of Progress. Number 9, Bars, no. Offensive rebound number 27, puts it up, denied. Number 14 has the ball. Number 14 looking for his teammates. Pass number 88, number 88, stealing number 22. Pass number 27, number 27. Basket is good for number 27.
Lima.
Number 8 has the ball. Attacks, pass number 88. Pinigay number 19. Out of bounds. Has the ball. Pass to number 15. Number 15 back to number 9. Pass to number 22. Number 22 bars. No. Rebound by number 57. Number 57 pass to number 15. Number 15 pass to number 22. Alvarado short. Number 22 again. Basket is good for number 22. Number 14, Pangilinan has the ball. Number 14, sidestep pass number 11. Number 11, number 19. Number 19, pass number 88. Floats it off, wala. Rebound number 22. Number 22 with a 3-point play. Save ball. Substitution. Number 17, number 15 out. Number 9, basket is good for number 9, Herrera.
Katungangan, depensa ng dos.
Repeating that, 5 minutes exactly. Pass to number 8, Lago, to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 19, Pinalagay number 11. Number 11, dive for the ball, number 19. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation. White ball. 26-17. Number 22, Alvarado drives, his. No. The rebound number 14, Pangilinan. Pangilinan
Mau Tandos.
Time out, Burgos. Official score 32-19. 32-19 in favor of Burgos.
3 minutes, 13 seconds.
Pass the ball. Pass number 14, Pangilinan. Pangilinan looking for his teammates. Pass number 11, Asas. Too strong. Rebound number 7, Herrera. Number 2, Pakate. Setting a play. Pass number 1. 38 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Stealing number 14. Number 14. Pass number 8. Lago. Basket is good. Robbery. Lago. Number 2, Pakate. Pass number 7. Herrera. Herrera. Blows it off. Too strong. Rebound number 19. Pass number 8. Lago. Lago. Pass number 14. Pinalawa. Okay lang. Number 2, Pakate, setting a play, using the screen. Pull up jumper. No, rebound to number 8, Lago. Lago has the ball, didn't head to number 8. Pass to 7, leading number 11. Pull up jumper, basket is good. Number 11, Asas.
Habol na, nahabol. Siyam na lang.
1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 2, setting a play. Pass to number 67. Number 2, pass to number 7, Herrera. 5 seconds to shoot. Steal. Number 8. Number 8, pass to number 77. Number 77 to number 14. Number 14, pass to number 77. Pass is good. What a pass for number 14, Pangilinan. Number 2, Pakate, second play, pass to number 7, Herrera. To number 67, binigay number 7, bars of 3. 3 points. Official score 35-25 in favor of Progress. 1 minute exactly. Number 77. Pass to number 11. Number 11 to number 8. Picks. Puts it up. No. Who's got the ball? The rebound number 57. Pass to number 7. Pakate. Pass to number 77. Picks. Puts it up. Basket is good for number 7. Herrera. 35 seconds remaining time. Number 14, crossover move, pull up 3, no. Rebound number 5. 20 seconds remaining time. Number 2, Pakate, lose the ball, pass number 8, 15 seconds. Number 14, pass number 11, foul.
37, 25, 12.7 seconds. Lamang ang 3, 12.
Steal to number 11. Pass to number 8. Lago out of bounds. 4.3 seconds. Number 22. Attacks. Pass to number 2. Pakate. Goal. And on the first side. Wala.
May premyo, may premyo.
Premyo daw. Bawal sa inyo. Kapilya Homes.
Sapatos din ang premyo.
Oh, sinusunod. Saigan. Isang try lang, isang try. Wala. Sayang. Sunod-sunod. Kaya si Saigan. Saigan. Sayang. Saba. Saba.
Hoy, kami! Tara!
Wala. Sinusunod. Eto.
pina-ordering. Dapat pala di ko na pina-ordering. Gago.
Double Palman, parang nasa court na
Pina-ordering ko kasi. Buenas.
nasa court na.
Eh, natumbo kasi pagka ano. Tinira ko ng ano. Ah, putik! Pakmet!
Kasi tirang mo pag ganyan na dahil. Muha! Bukas na lang tayo.
Number 77 has the ball.
Third quarter.
Pass number 14, Pangilinan. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8, pass at 3.
Tama, sa Siam.
Official score 37-28 in favor of Progress. Number 7, Herrera. Pass number 22, Alvarado. Pass at 3. No. Rebound number 77. Number 77. Out of bounds. Number 7, pass the ball. Number 7, pass to number 15. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 7, 5 to shoot. Pass to number 27. No. Rebound number 14. Pass to number 77. Number 77, Marquez. Pass to number 7. Basket is good. Official score 37-13 in favor of Progress. Number 7, pass to number 67. Number 15, Parson Gray. No. Offensive rebound number 22. Base puts it up. Rebound number 14, Pangilinan. Pass to number 8, Lago. Flies. No. Out of bounds. Number 7, Herrera has the ball. Number 7, pass number 22, Alvarado. Back to number 7. Number 7, pass number 15. Fakes. Puts it up. No. Rebound number 14, pass number 8, Lago. Rise. Basket is good for number 8, Lago. Official score 37-32. 5 points lead Progress. Number 67, pass number 27. Number 22, Bars. No. Rebounding number 77. Number 77, pass number 8, Lago. Puts it up. Basket.
Bolay lahat. Tatlo.
Advanced substitution. Number 7, Herrera. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Bars. No. Offensive rebounding number 15. Out of bounds. Pass number 14. Bars. No. Out of bounds. White. Pass number 22. Alvarado. Number 2 to number 9. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Puts it up. No. Number 14. Steal. Number 22. Number 22. Attacks. Basket is good. Alvarado. Number 8, Lago. Attacks. Out of bounds. Number 9, Herrera. Pass number 22. Open. Bar. No. Number 67. Basket is good for number 67. Borja. Official score 41-34 in favor of Progress. Number 77, 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 77, pass number 14. Puts it up. No. Rebound number 22. Stepping on the line. Substitution. Number 7, has to shoot. Number 12, puts it up. Basket is good. Herrera. Official score 41-36. 5 points lead Progress. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 9, Herrera. Bars. No. Who's got the ball? Green ball. Number 8. Pass number 11. Number 11 speeds. Denied. Number 22. Direct na si number 22. Stealing number 8. Number 8. Lago. Nasa kanya na. Wala. Number Herrera attacks pass number 22. Number 22. Basket is good for number 22. Official score 43-38. 5 points lead. Number 14, Barstow. Offensive rebound number 11. Basket is good.
Ano lang, patlo.
Official score 43-40 in favor of Progress. Number 2, pass number 9, Herrera. Step up, Barstow. Now running number 14. Number 14, Pangilinan. Diretto, pass number 11. Number 11. Basket is good for number 11.
Ano lang.
Isa na lang ang kalabangan ng Progress. Isa na.
Isa na.
Number 2, Pacates, setting up play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 9, Herrera. To number 27. Basket ball! Team has the ball. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 14, steal. Pass to number 9, Herrera. Herrera, pass to number 4. Basket is good. For number 2, Pacates. Number 14. Pass number 11. Number 11. Denied. Number 22. Pass number 9. Herrera. Herrera to number 2. Out of bounds. Great ball. Pass number 12. Back to number 8. To number 14. Barstow. Offensive rebound by number 27. Number 22. Pass the ball. Number 22. Attacks. Lays it up. No. Number 14, got the rebound, pass number 8, Lago. No, number 11, offensive rebound. Basket is good for number 11. Number 2, Pacate, pass number 9. To number 57, number 57, pass number 22. Denied, Lago, number 14. Number 14, pass number 8. Number 8, waits. Pass number 14, puts it up. Wala. Rebound number 27. Pass number 22, Alvarado. To rise. Foul. Foul 22.
7:44 minutes, 19 seconds. Tatlo lang ng press.
First throw. Basket is good. Second throw. Basket again. For number 22, Alvarado. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 49-44 in favor of Progress. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 11. Puts it up. Too strong. Number 2 ang bola. Number 2. Number 2. Take his time. Pass to number 22. Out of bounds. Number 8. Pass the ball. Cross over room. Number 8. Number 8 na ako, number 11, pass number 8, Bars! No! Rebound number 57, number 57, pass number 9, Herrera to number 2. Number 2, pass number 57, basket is good for number 57, Pelos. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 8, pass number 14, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, back to number 14. No, rebound number 27, pass to number 22. Number 22, Alvarado. The rise, pass to number 27. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, Bars. No. Rebound number 11, pass to number 14. To number 8, Lagos. Number 5. No. Rebound number 57. 50 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 57. Pass number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22. Pass number 14. Pangilinan has the ball. Pass to number 12. Back to number 14. Foul. First throw. No good. Second throw. Basket is good for number 14, Pangilinan. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Number 22. No. Who's got the ball? 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
Ito.
Number 67,
Fourth
15
quarter.
seconds on the shot clock.
Kakaalaman na kung mananalo sa game 1.
Pace,
Mga hinahabol
pass
ng
number
Broncos.
22. Bars, 3 points. Number 8, babawi, Bars, 3 points. Official score, 54-48 in favor of Progress. Number 2, Pakada, pass to number 67, Manigay number 2, pass to number 7, Herrera. Pass to number 67, to number 2, pull-up jumper, short. Pass to number 8, Ulago, lazy up, wala. Who's got the ball? Number 77, pass to number 88, lazy up, wala. Who's got the ball? Number 2, number 2. Number 22 got the ball, pass to number 7. Number 7 stop, puts it up, voila. Number 7 Borja, pass to number 7, number 88. Number 8 Lago, Bars, no. Number 2 got the rebound, pass to number 57, Biggs. Pass to number 7, Biggs. Pass to this good for number 7. Number 14 puts it up, in and out.
Ano?
Number 2, Picante has the ball. 15 seconds of the shot clock. Using the screen, Picante, pass to number 7, Bars, no. Number 77, pass to number 8, Binigay number 77, Binigay number 8. Pass is good, Lago. 56-50, 6 points lead, Progress. Number 7, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22, pass number 2, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2 puts it up, voila. Out of bounds. Number 67, an inbound play, pass number 22. Breaking number 57, basket is good for number 57, Pelos. Official score, 58-15. 58-15 in favor of Progress. Number 14, Bars, no. Out of bounds, same for 14, Pangilinan. Basket is good for number 14, Pangilinan.
6, 58, 52, 7.
Number 7, Herrera has the ball. Looking for his teammates, pass to number 22. Number 7, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 67. Number 67 puts it up, in and out. Number 22, offensive rebound denied. Now number 8. Foul. Foul number 20. Number 14 has the ball, looking for his teammates. Pass number 88, long two, no. Now going number 22, number 22. Number 22, pass number 9, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 7, Bars, no. Rebounding number 14, number 14, pass to number 14, Villa. Villa steal, number 22. Number 22, pass to number 9, Herrera, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 67, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22, attacks, box, speeds, pass number 7, number 79, now number 22, pass is good for number 22, Alvarado. Number 88, 15 seconds to shoot, pass number 8, Lago puts it up, no, rebound number 57. Number 9, Herrera. Number 9, Kuros. Number bigay number 67, points it up, wala. Out of bounds, green ball. Number 14, Pangilinan, bars, no. Rebound din number 9, Herrera. Herrera, stop. Pass number 7, wait. Foul. Who's called red?
Sala, walang tira, may habit.
Second row. Substitution. Pass number 12, number 14, bars, no. Offensive rebound number 8, Lago. Number 11. Number 11, pass number 14, binigay number 11, pass number 12, wala. Number 14, foul. Foul. Who's called that? First row, basket is good for number 14, Pangilinan. Second row, basket again for number 14. Official score 61-54. Advanced substitution. Number 14, Bobs, puts it up, no. Rebound ni number 9, Herrera. Number 9, Herrera si number 9, tumigil si number 9. Number 9, attacks. Pass number 27, 15 seconds of the shot clock. Number 7, pass number 22, 5 seconds to shoot. Denied. Number 14, pass number 12. Number 12 to number 8, step back, bars, 3 points. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Pontres. Apat na lang. Number 39, Herrera, pass number 57. Number 22, number 7, Bates. Stop and pop, no. Only number 11. Number 11, pass number 8. Number 8, pass again, no. Out of bounds, green ball. Inbound play, pass number 8, Lago. Lago, attacks, pass number 19, bars, no. Rebound number 27, pass number 15, Venus. Number 15. Pass number 22 to number 67. Number 67, basket. Number 67, Borja. Steal number 15. Nice to number 8, puts it up, no. Rebound number 22, pass number 9. Number 9, Herrera, pass number 67. Number 9, attacks, floats it off, wala. Number 9 again, wala. Number 14, Pangilinan. Dire-diretso si number 14, pass number 19. Number 19. Out of bounds. Number 67, pass number 9 to number 22. Number 9, Herrera, 15 seconds at the shot clock. Pass number 67. 10 seconds to shoot. Now, the pick on number 67, number 77, number 8. Basket is good. Remaining time, last 2 minutes. Apat na lang ang kalamangan. Number 15, wala. Who's got the ball? Number 8. Number 8, Lago, pass number 14, floats it up. Basket! Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Progress. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan. Out of bounds, single. 61-63. Number 9, Herrera. Number 9, pass number 27. Number 27, pass number 15. Pass number 22, basket! Balik sa apat ang kalamangan ng Progress. 1 minute 25 on the fourth quarter. Number 77, 15 second shot clock. Pass number 8. Number 77, pass number 12. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Steal. Number 8, pass number 77. Number 8, pull up jumper. Wala. Number 14, basket. ulit sa dalawang kalabangan ng Progress. Number 22. Number 22 pass, number 9. 55 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22. Foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 9, Herrera, back to number 22. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22, attacks. Foul. Foul number first row. Basket is good. Angat sa tatlo ang kalabangan ng Progress.
38 seconds, tatlo lamang ng tres. 66, 63.
Second row. Basket again.
Apat, talo lamang ng tres.
Number 19, looking for his teammates. Pass number 8, Lago. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 4, Pangilinan, Bobs. Puts it up, basket! Number 2, Pakate. Pakate has the ball. Dire-diretso si number 2. Number 2, Marty. Way number 77. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 22, asking for ISO. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22, pass number 67. Foul number 14, number 14. First row, basket is good. 12.1 seconds remaining time. 12.1. Second row, basket again. 12.1, 12.1. Number 11, pass number 8. Number 8, lays it up, basket. 6.2 seconds, 6.2. Foul. Foul number 8, number 8. Herrera. First row. No good. Lashan, basket. 4.6, 4.6. Tatlo ang kalabangan ng Progress. Foul.
3.1 seconds.
Foul number 9, Herrera, number 9. Ay, 13 foul, 13 foul. 2 seconds.
Wala, nakapit.
Binigay ng boss, counted daw. Mag-print raw.
Nasa baba.
Binigay na counted daw. Kung nadala na yung bola, tapos na foul, tumira, counted yun. Pero kung hindi pa binubuhat yung bola, final, not counted yun. Ano yun? Bakit kaya?
And the ball game, winner, Ruben.
Panalo na Purok 3. Binigay na laban. Ayaw pumayag ng dos na hindi counted, hindi counted. 4-6 na lang ang natitira eh. Wala ng oras eh. Pero ang pwede pa eh, overtime. Shoot ang una bago nasalay pangalawa. Shoot. Hindi overtime.